Grand News App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get this wrong, but news bias doesn't come from one side, it comes from what you never see. That's exactly the problem Grand News is trying to solve in 2025. If you feel overwhelmed or mistrustful of modern news, this app might surprise you. Grand News is a news aggregation app that compares how different outlets cover the same story. Instead of pushing one narrative, it shows you reporting from left-leaning, right-leaning and centre sources side by side. The surprising truth is that many major stories are framed very differently depending on those reporting them. Using the app is simple. You open a headline and instantly see which outlets are covering it, which ones are ignoring it, and how political bias might influence the angle. Grand News also highlights blind spots, stories covered heavily by one side but barely mentioned by the other. One major pro is clarity. The bias labels and ownership transparency help users think critically instead of reacting emotionally. Many users say it's helped them break out of algorithm-driven echo chambers. However, you won't believe what happens next if you expect instant answers. Grand News doesn't tell you what to think. It gives context, not conclusions. Some advanced features, like detailed bias analysis and blind spot tracking, are locked behind a paid subscription. Another downside is that casual news readers may feel overloaded with information. This app rewards curiosity and patience. In conclusion, Grand News is ideal for people who want a fuller picture of the world. If you value perspective over outrage and want to understand how narratives are shaped, Grand News is one of the most thoughtful news apps available in 2025.